Have you ever wondered if everything around you is truly real? Maybe you've caught yourself questioning the nature of your surroundings, or even your own experiences. It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. What if reality isn't quite what it seems? The chair you sit on, the sun on your skin, it all feels solid and undeniable. Every day we trust our senses to tell us what's real. But is it possible that our senses could be fooled, or that what we experience is just one version of reality? But what if our world is actually part of a super advanced computer program, like a video game so real we can't tell the difference? Imagine your favorite game, how the characters move, interact, and believe in their world, never knowing it's all pixels and code. The characters think their world is real, but it's all code. They have no idea there's a player or a creator outside their universe, controlling what happens next. Could we be like those characters, living in a reality built by someone, somewhere that we can't see? What if everything we know is just part of a grand design, hidden from our view? This idea isn't just science fiction. Philosophers and scientists seriously debate it. Some even suggest that advanced civilizations could create entire simulated worlds, complete with conscious beings. If our world is a simulation, what does real even mean? Would our feelings, memories, and dreams still matter if they were programmed? Let's dive into this mystery and see why some people think our universe might be the ultimate digital illusion. The answers could change how we see ourselves and our place in the cosmos. The adventure begins now. Let's find out what a simulation really is and explore the mind-bending possibilities that come with questioning the very nature of reality. So, what exactly is a simulation? At its core, a simulation is a model of reality, created and run by a computer. It's a way to mimic real-life processes, environments, or even entire worlds using digital technology. Think of video games like Minecraft or Roblox. These are digital universes with their own rules, landscapes, and possibilities, all brought to life by lines of code. Players can build, explore, and interact in ways that feel real, even though everything is virtual. Now, imagine a computer not just a little faster, but billions of times more powerful than anything we have today. Such a machine could simulate every detail of our universe, from the tiniest atom to the largest galaxy, with astonishing accuracy. Philosopher Nick Bostrom proposed a fascinating idea. If technology keeps advancing, future civilizations might have the ability to create countless simulations of their ancestors, people just like us, living out entire lifetimes in digital worlds. If these simulated worlds vastly outnumber the original physical universe, then statistically it becomes much more likely that we're living in one of those simulations, rather than in the one true reality. But don't picture someone sitting at a desk, controlling our every move with a joystick or a keyboard. That's not how this idea works. It's more like a fish tank. The creator sets up the environment, establishes the rules, and then simply observes as things unfold naturally, without direct interference. Within this framework, we'd still have free will, making our own choices and decisions, but always within the boundaries of the program's laws. Just like how gravity or time works in a video game. The simulation hypothesis asks a mind-bending question. Are we living in the original universe, or are we just one of countless digital copies? To find out, let's search for clues that might reveal the true nature of our reality. If we're living inside a simulation, like a super advanced video game, could there be glitches, unexpected bugs or errors, just like the ones we see in digital worlds? Imagine if reality itself sometimes stutters or repeats, leaving us with strange moments that don't quite add up. Déjà vu, that eerie sensation that you've already experienced a moment, is often called a glitch in the matrix. It's as if the simulation accidentally repeats a scene, making us question what's real and what's not. The universe seems to run on strict mathematical rules, almost like lines of computer code. Every law of physics, every pattern in nature follows precise formulas, as if programmed by some cosmic designer. Why is the speed of light a universal limit? In computers, limits are normal. They keep things running smoothly and prevent chaos. Maybe our universe has similar built-in boundaries to maintain order. In video games, only what you see is rendered in detail. The rest is just potential, waiting to be created. Maybe our reality works in a similar way, with things becoming real only when we observe or interact with them. Quantum mechanics hints at this idea. Particles seem to exist in many states until we look at them, as if the universe is waiting for us to press play before it loads the next scene. Of course, there are scientific explanations for these phenomena, and not everyone agrees with the simulation theory. But it's fascinating to wonder if these oddities are actually cracks in our reality's code, little hints that things aren't quite as they seem. The world is full of mysteries. Maybe some are clues waiting for us to notice and piece together the bigger picture of our existence. Some scientists are searching for real evidence of a simulation. If our universe is digital, it might have pixels, tiny building blocks of space and time. Physicists look for signs of this by studying the smallest scales, hoping to spot a cosmic grid. Another test cosmic rays. If space is a grid, these high-energy particles would move in certain patterns. So far, we haven't found any pixels or grid patterns. Space looks smooth. But maybe the simulation is just too advanced for us to detect. The search itself pushes science forward, making us rethink what reality is. Even if we never find proof, asking these questions expands our understanding. The hunt for clues continues. If we are in a simulation, who built it and why? Maybe it's scientists running experiments, future historians, or even a cosmic artist. Does it make our lives less meaningful? Not at all. Our feelings, dreams, and stories are real to us. Could we ever escape or contact our creators? Maybe, but if the simulation is perfect, we might never know. The real magic is in the mystery itself. Not knowing keeps us curious, drives us to explore, and inspires us to ask big questions. So next time you look around, wonder, is this the real world or the greatest game ever made? The truth may be out there, but the fun is in the search.